Alright, hi, this is Noah Vauder here from DSPinstruments.com, DIYDSP.com. This is just another short entry in the vlog where I'm talking about this instrument I've been building lately called the Pyramid Eel. So the thing I did today was I first gave it a haircut, so it's a little shorter than it used to be. And the big task for today was to mount all the generator electronics inside. So I did this by first sketching out what the various electronic modules are involved, the rectifier, the regulator, the battery, etc. And then I drew up their locations in a quick CAD drawing in Fusion 360. And make a long story short, this is what the machine gives you. So this is with the tabs and showing everything still in the frame. The ones on the left and right are the mounts, and the one in the middle is the backplane. So once we remove them, this is what you see, and just do some mild sanding to clean them up. And I had to do a little bit of drilling just to clean up the holes. And here's the test fit just to make sure that they all overlap. And now we're going to place all the electronics on there just to make sure that the holes line up properly. That, we measured everything and things are in the correct size and whatnot. Looks pretty good from here. So here I've got the first ones. Everything that was just ready to go, I quickly screwed down with standoffs. The other ones I had some additional drilling to do and some other special mounting techniques. Like this battery, you see I've got just a bunch of velcro wrapped around it. But here we go, all the basic modules are locked down with the screws. That's pretty tight. And then fortunately everything does just barely fit into the instrument again. Just between you and me, the door doesn't close exactly perfectly, but we'll work on that in the next couple days. Also, the next task is to wire everything up. So stay subscribed, click on that like button, and enjoy the ride.